Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ilabella here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called number of good pairs. Given an array of integers nums, a pair I and j is called good if nums at I is equal to nums at j and I is less than j. Return the number of good pairs. For example, we get this array right here, nums. We return 4 because there are 4 good pairs, and it's 0 indexed. Here all that elements are the same, so we just return 6. Each pair in the array are good. Right here all that elements are different, we return 0. The length of this array nums is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 100, and the value at the position of I into nums is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to 100. Go for it. First we need to create the variable. It's called result is equal to 0, and we need to create an array count in order to count the frequencies. The length of this array is equal to 101. 101 because you could notice from these constraints that it is less than or equal to 100. That's why we say 101. We say for int n nums. We are looping through these nums, and at each iteration we say plus equal and count at the position of this current element plus plus. Finally return this result. Let's run this code. That's pretty much it. Accepted. Let's submit. First try. There we go, success. So what we do is that we just create, one variable is result, and count the array of frequencies, and we got count something like this, indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100, 101 inclusive, and I mean exclusively, exclusively because we start from 0, and at the position of n, suppose, let's look at this example, this right here. We got 1, so at the position of 1 we increment by 1, so we got 1, right? But before, we already know that all these values are set up to 0 initially, right? And we can see that result at the first iteration, result is equal to 0. Then we increment at the position of 1. We are here right now by 1. This is 1. Then we go on looping through these nums. At the position of 2 we increment, we just add up these values, and we got 1. Again we increment by 1, and then at 3 we got the result 0, we increment by 1. At 4 we can see that we already got 1, so result is equal to 1, and we increment at 1 by 1, which is 2. At this position, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, at 4 we are right now, and we can see that right here we got 2, so we just say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We increment by 1, which is 3 right here, and then we are here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, you know, like this. At the position of 3 we got 1, and we say 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and we increment at the position of 3 by 1, which is 2. Finally, we return the final answer, which is 4 right here. That's the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Yeah, thank you. Bye.